you cards just arrived. I look a little crusty. I'm just getting back in the house, but I want to do unboxing. So let's see how they looking. They didn't even send me a freaking tracker number, so I didn't even know that they were on the way. I didn't know they were gonna come today. Boom. So let's see. I make all of my stuff on Canva. My business cards, my thank you cards, my thumbnails. I do like the setup for my thumbnails on Canva, but I use a different app for fonts and stuff. But literally just about everything I do on Canva. But they came in this big box. I really hope they're cute because I like how I made it on the site, but I don't know. Hold on. They look like they might be pretty. I look so bad right now. Oh. Okay, so y'all know my colors are pink and white, like pink and white. I think it looks pretty from what I'm seeing. Yeah, it looks cute. So gonna undo it. These are cute. So I decided to like fade thank you in the back and then put my words in bold white. So it just says, no matter how big or small, we're forever grateful for your purchase. We'd love to hear your thoughts on our products. Email us and let us know. And then I have my Instagram, my email, and my website. I should have put my YouTube up here, but I didn't really think I had enough space because I wanted to, you know, like space it out a little bit. So yeah, but I think these look cute. I actually don't know how many I purchased. Yeah, I can't remember how many I purchased, but it's probably, I'm gonna assume I got 100. I don't have a packing slip, but yeah, that's why I make all my stuff. So I have these, but I do not have any business cards still. I'm still out of business cards. I can't decide what I want to do, if I want to keep my same business card and just switch up the font to this font, or do I want to, like, you know, I don't know what I want to do, switch it up or keep the same thing and just change the font. So that's what I did to figure out so I can get business cards. But yeah, I'm very excited about this, okay? Like I said in a previous video, I don't know, I just feel like as I grow, I want to like step everything up. And I feel like these look nice. To me, they look good. I like how they look. I feel like as you grow in business, you need to, you know, upgrade your stuff or, you know, just make it look better. This is going to be my 4th time changing my business card, I think. Either my 3rd or 4th time changing my business card because I don't like how the font looks anymore. So I'm going to change that. And then this is my 1st time ever having thank you cards. I do not know the size, but if you go on Canva and just type in thank you cards, the correct size should pop up and it should be like this. And I do not remember the price of these either. Like, they didn't put no packing slip in here. So yeah, but I'm back home now. So I have lots of orders to get out. These 2 are like mandatory to get out right away. So I'm gonna try to ship off orders on Thursday. Today is Tuesday. I know I'm not gonna finish this all tonight. So I'm gonna try to get these orders out on Thursday, and whatever else gets done, I'll ship it out on Thursday. So we have a lot of filling to do, okay? This is my largest order. I know in a previous video I said that was my largest order, but literally a week later, I received this order and I thought it was a joke. I thought she was gonna like put in for a refund or something, but this is a returning customer. This is her 2nd time ordering from me, and she spent over $500, y'all. She bought jars and wand tube wholesale and squeeze tube wholesale. And then this person is a new customer, I think. She ordered 2 samples and 20 lip scrubs. So that's the mandatory stuff that has to go out like right away. So that's what I'm gonna be working on after I get clean and eat some food. Your girl needs to get in the shower. I need to eat and just like get myself ready because my work week has officially started. I'm tired. I'm tired already. Okay, I'm tired. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoy this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I have 30 glosses to fill. This is part of her order. She got the glosses Trendsetter, Hustler, and Me Versus Me. These are glosses from the Glitz and Glam collection. So I'm done with some of her order. Now I'm about to start working on another order. She got 20 lip scrubs. gloss jars ready to go. These are all 8 ounce. This is Gold Digger, Goal Digger, Sunkissed, and For Keep. And these are glitter glosses. And she ordered scented with oils. So this is what I did last night. It is the next day. I was gonna film, but I decided not to because it takes me literally forever to get done when I'm filming, and I want to get this order done. This is 80 wand tubes. So I'm about to film the rest on camera. It's just 5 of each. Then I'll be completely done with her order. So she got the squeeze tubes, these jars, and 80 wand tubes, all nude glosses. April has been an amazing month for me. Big orders coming through. I was filming, but I don't know what happened. Like, I don't know what happened. So I got the orders packed up. I did not film this one, but I did film this one. But this is my largest order. You know, I gotta have memories of this. So this is gonna be posted on Instagram. I have a lot to edit down, so hopefully I'll be able to post like the full video on Instagram. But yeah, so I have 4 orders that are going out today. I probably have like 3 or 4 more orders to get done, but they'll go out most likely on Monday. I'm gonna stay home this weekend and get lots of work done. I have lots of filming to do, cleaning tubes and stuff. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this quick little video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see y'all in the next one.